Hello, everyone. You must have noticed multiple times a big problem in terms of resume match. When you apply for a job and it gets rejected by the artificial intelligence, which mostly happens because your resume is not able to beat the applicant tracking system, the ATS. And a lot of employers are using technology. A lot of employers are using AI to filter out, the correct profiles, the correct resumes. And I believe this is a high time that you as a job searcher, you as a candidate, should also use the power of artificial intelligence to become smarter, to do your mathematics, to do your maths much in advance, and scan your resume by using certain platforms so that you can know what is the kind of job match you have, what is the kind of match rate you have with the job which is being posted. And one such platform for doing that is jobscan.co. So if you notice, this platform gives you flexibility to simply, go and match your resume. If you can see my screen right now, what you need to do is you need to go to the jobscan.co, upload your resume, something like this. And then you paste the job description here and click on scan. And in just few seconds, you will get to see what is the kind of match rate between your resume and the job which is posted. In this case, if you see, there is a match rate of 48%. And trust me, guys, until and unless your match rate is more than 75%, your companies will not consider you. Your companies will not consider you as a top 5 or top 10 candidates suitable for that role. So if you notice, JobScan also gives you options in terms of what is missing, whether there's some problem with your overall job description, your highlighting, your formatting, anything which is missing. It will tell you what kind of skills which are missing as compared to the job description and what more you can do. So this is one tip in terms of how you can become much more smarter, how you can use AI tools to do your mathematics in advance, and how you can beat the applicant tracking system. Thank you.